What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys another look at one of my latest Nike by You creations. So today's video will be about the Nike Air Max 90 by You in the Yeezy 2 Pure Platinum inspired colorway. This was designed and created through the Nike by You, formerly known as Nike ID platform. They retailed for 200 Canadian dollars, which is about 150 US. And the inspiration behind this shoe was, of course, the Pure Platinum Nike Yeezy 2. So jumping straight in, the toe box of the sneaker, I opted for a wolf gray colored mesh. Overlaid on top of this, surrounding the front edge of the toe box, we have this polywoven material done in white. Polywoven, which I've explained in my past Nike by You review videos, is a very interesting feeling textile. It's not suede at all, but it sort of has a canvas feel to it, but it's a little softer than canvas. On the quarter panel, you'll also see that polywoven material, and there's a small Nike swoosh as well, made out of that same textile. The eye stays on the shoe are both done in gray, and then running along the length of the shoe, we have a white leather mudguard, which felt pretty soft to the touch. On both sides of the shoe, we have this cutaway on the mudguard, which reveals this gray plastic insert which has Air Max branding found within it. The upper portion of the back heel is entirely done in this wolf gray colored mesh, and then overlaid on top of the center of the back heel, we have this rubber overlay which has Nike Air branding. As for the laces, so I opted for a plain white colored lace, and then underneath the laces, we have your traditional white nylon tongue. And then on the top of the tongue, we have this Nike Air Max tag, which is done in black, white, and orange. Unfortunately, Nike ID or Nike by You at the time didn't give you the opportunity to change the color of the tag. So regardless of what your design looked like, you would have this colored tag on it. The interior of these Air Max 90s, so I completely forgot the actual name of the color, but it looks like some sort of hot pink or like a solar red. Pulling out the insoles, so these come with mismatching insoles. So on the left shoe, it's orange with 30th anniversary branding on it, and then on the right shoe, it's done in this mosaic multi-pattern finish. The upper of these Air Max 90s sits atop this all-white colored midsole, and underneath the heel, we have this cutaway which exposes the Nike airsole unit found within the midsole. Sizing-wise, these fit the same to me as all my other Air Max 90 by You creations, so for me, I stuck true to size, which gave me a very nice snug fit, but if you want more of a looser fit or if you have really wide feet, then you can definitely go up a half size as well. In terms of the comfort, so the Air Max 90 I feel in general is a pretty comfortable feeling sneaker, and these Nike by Yous are no different. They feel pretty good on feet as far as a retro sneaker from 1990 goes, but they're not going to be mind-blowing or anything like that, but they're just a very solid shoe for everyday casual use. Finally, in terms of the quality of the sneaker, I consider this to be a pretty decently well-built shoe. The materials didn't blow my mind or anything like that. It's still fairly basic in terms of Nike quality, but considering that this was a one-of-one design that was manufactured in a factory specifically for me, getting these within about 30 days, I was pretty impressed. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these Air Max 90s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I know a lot of people say that Yeezy 2 inspired colorways of shoes are kind of overplayed, but I just couldn't help myself. I thought that these looked really fresh, and then getting these in hand, they looked exactly like the mock-up, so I was actually very happy. This is another shoe that's gonna look amazing during the summer months, and I can't wait to pull these out and rock them. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this Pure Platinum Nike Yeezy 2 inspired Air Max 90. How do you guys feel about the look, the design of this shoe, and is this something that you would rock, or is this a pass for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.